Ready, start. Unchecked expansion of urban activity has led to a noticeable rise in ambient sound levels and the continuous operation of transport systems, construction equipment, industrial machinery, and high volume electronic devices has created conditions in which maintaining normal working efficiency has become increasingly difficult, and it is observed that such exposure exerts a direct influence on both physical condition and mental stability of individuals engaged in routine duties. Prolonged contact with excessive sound is known to impair hearing capacity, as persons residing or working in high noise areas often experience gradual reduction in auditory sensitivity, while repeated disturbance during rest periods results in fatigue and reduced alertness during active hours, thereby lowering overall performance. It is further noticed that persistent noise generates mental strain, as individuals find it difficult to sustain attention on tasks requiring concentration, which increases the likelihood of errors and affects accuracy in execution. Communication also becomes less effective under such circumstances, as excessive background sound interferes with clarity of speech, leading to misunderstanding and delay in coordination, particularly in situations where precision is required. In addition to these effects, continuous exposure to elevated noise levels may contribute to increased stress and related health complications, thereby reducing the capacity to perform duties efficiently over a period of time. It has also been observed that in many areas, lack of proper regulation and inadequate monitoring has allowed sound levels to exceed prescribed limits, which has made it difficult to maintain a controlled and balanced environment for daily functioning. Absence of discipline in the use of sound producing devices further aggravates the situation, as high volume equipment continues to be used without due regard to its impact on surrounding areas. The problem becomes more evident during peak traffic hours and large gatherings, when sound intensity increases significantly and creates discomfort for persons residing or working in such locations under these conditions, continuous exposure to uncontrolled noise results in gradual decline in efficiency, reduced coordination, and increased levels of irritation, thereby affecting overall functioning. In various activities, environmental conditions are also disturbed as excessive sound interferes with natural patterns and creates imbalance in surroundings which further contributes to instability in day by day operations. The prevailing circumstances indicate that without effective control over sources of noise and consistent adherence to prescribed limits, the situation will continue to affect normal functioning and create difficulties in maintaining a stable and efficient working environment, and it is further observed that sustained exposure to such conditions may gradually reduce tolerance levels, thereby making it increasingly difficult for individuals to adapt to routine operational environments. Full stop. Over.